Hi, I'm Sauna Grimgade. I'm a national silver medalist at the 400 meters in the CISC National Athletic Meet 2023, after which I got to represent ICSC in the 67th National School Games held in Lucknow. My journey to these heights was not easy. Wanting to reach certain heights takes a lot from you. I still remember the summer of 2023. I'd wake up at 5, train for 2 to 3 hours, come back at around 9 to 9:30, do my tuition homework, go to tuition, and right after tuition was my second training session. It was tiring, painful, and hard to keep up with, but I had to keep my eye on the prize. I wanted to get to nationals, and I was dedicated enough to follow this regime for 2 months straight. When school started, I kept going, and it didn't get easier at all. But I was passionate and obsessed with the sport, and I did whatever it took to reach my goals. This journey has taught me that hard work is the only way to success. In order to win, you need to outwork everyone else. You need to have the mindset that you're the best on the field. Train like you never win and compete like you never lose. If you think that you're going to lose before even trying, you've already lost. Happy World Athletics Day.